Hello, my dear students. I heartily welcome you all in this session, our subject science and class 8th standard. In last class, we have discussed about microorganisms and viruses. Today, we are going to study about microorganisms and us. Dear students, do you know microorganisms play an important role in our lives? Some of them are beneficial in many ways, whereas some other are harmful. Some are beneficial and some are causes diseases. Some are very harmful for us. So let us study about them detailedly. Which are friendly microorganisms? Let us discuss. These are the users and friendly microorganisms. Microorganisms are used for various purposes, like they are used in the preparation of curd, bread and cake. Yes, microorganisms have been used for the production of alcohol since ages. Microorganisms have been used for the production of alcohol, and curd, bread and cake. For the preparation of curd, bread and cake, we use some microorganisms. They are also used in the cleaning up of the environment. How is this possible? And how the microorganisms plays an important role in cleaning of environment. For example, the organic waste like vegetable peels, eggshells, like this fleeces, animal waste, they are broken down into harmless and usable substances from bacteria by the bacteria. So recall, in previous classes you have learnt it is also used in the preparation of medicines. Microorganisms are also used in the preparation of the medicines. In agriculture, they used in an increase in the soil fertility. Fertility, it means falavatate in Kannada. So if the soil is fertile, our yield will be good. So it is used in the agriculture, part in increasing in the soil fertility by fixing the nitrogen. Making of curd and bread. Dear students, you have learnt in a 7th standard, milk turn into curd by the bacteria. See, you just observe when your mother wants to prepare curd, so she will add some curd into a warm milk to set the curd for next day. Is it? So, milk turns into curd. Curd contains several microorganisms. Of these, the bacterium and Lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. So milk turn into curd due to this bacterium Lactobacillus. So bacteria are also involved in the making of cheese, pickle and many other food items. An important ingredient of rava, idlis and bhaturas like dosa is a curd. So this bacteria and yeast are also helpful for fermentation of rice, idlis and dosa batter. See, these bacteria, if your mother wants to prepare dosa or idli, she will keep it for full night. So afterwards it will fermentation. It undergo process the fermentation due to bacteria. So we will get dosa and idlis better for that. Here there is one activity. Take half kg of flour, maida and some sugar and mix with the warm water. Add a small amount of yeast powder and knead to make a soft dough. What do you observe after 2 hours? Did you find the dough rising? Maida with yeast powder. Yeast is used most in bakeries to make softened breads and cakes. Yeast reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide during respiration. Bubbles of the gas fill the dough and increase its volume. This is the basis of use of yeast in the baking industry for making bread, pastries and cakes. In bakeries, the yeast will be used more. So this activity easily you can do in your home, and you can get, due to this yeast, the we'll get raised maida, like that, maida with the yeast powder we should make. Commercial use of microorganisms. Microorganisms are used for the in a large scale in the production of alcohol, wine and acetic acid, vinegar, we'll call vinegar. It is like a lemon juice. It is used in a cooking also. So it is largely in a large scale, it is used in a production of alcohol, wine and acetic acid. Yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol and wine. For this purpose, yeast is grown on a natural sugars present in a grains like barley, wheat, rice, crushed fruits juices. There will be a yeast. So it is commercially used in the production of alcohol and wines. And this is the smell of alcohol, as sugar has been converted into alcohol by the yeast. So the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. What is fermentation? The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation in 1847. Who is that? Louis Pasteur. Hope you understand today's session. Your homework: write the uses of microorganisms, how the milk turns into curd, what is fermentation, who has discovered the fermentation. Write the commercial uses of microorganisms. Thank you.